Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord alternator, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and set it aside safely. Remove the drive belt by relieving the tensioner and slipping the belt off the pulley. Next, unbolt and label each electrical connector and the main charging cable before removing the alternator mounting bolts and lowering the unit gently out of the engine bay. Remove the alternator by fully supporting its weight and removing the remaining mounting bolts carefully. Inspect the replacement alternator for matching connectors, pulley type, and mounting ears before installing. Fit the new alternator into place, insert the mounting bolts, and snug them by hand before torquing to the recommended specifications. Reattach the electrical connectors and main charging cable, ensuring tight, clean contacts for reliable charging performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more repair guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with saving on repairs and planning smarter for vehicle costs. I placed the book link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. With the new alternator mounted, route the drive belt over the pulleys and apply proper tension using the tensioner. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and double-check that every connector and bolt is secure and that no tools remain in the engine bay. Start the engine and use a multimeter to confirm charging voltage at the battery, observing for stable output and quiet operation from the alternator before concluding the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.